It's remarkable to see the 19th century Industrial Revolution is still alive and thriving in the 21st century. Today, this is evident by seeing the Wichita-built Case and New Holland skid steer and compact track loaders in action around the world. But you're also watching something historic. Innovation combined with the vision to manufacture a product while continuously improving how it works and how it's made. You can trace our philosophy all the way back to our founders. J.I. Case and Abe Zimmerman were both geniuses, not just mechanical geniuses. They were geniuses at filling the customer's needs and were true visionaries of innovation.
A lot of things have changed since those days. Now we deliver to customers all over the world. We think our founders would be very proud of how we've applied their principles.
Like our founders, we all try to find better ways to make the job easier for our customers and our employees. Improving productivity is a top priority in everything we do.
There's a new industrial revolution going on the better part of 2 centuries later at CNH Industrial, a merger of J.I. Case and New Holland. CNH manufactures 15 lines of Case and 13 lines of New Holland construction equipment, with a global network of manufacturing sites, R&D centers, dealers, and distributors. At the 80-acre Wichita plant, we work together to manufacture Case and New Holland skid steer and compact track loaders.
I've worked here nearly 30 years, and the only thing constant is change. We are always improving what we do and how we do it.
It's not about the shovel anymore. It's about precision. If you really know what the equipment needs to do for the customer, you'll know what to do in your plant.
In 2011, CNH introduced the Case Alpha in the New Holland 200 series. Like all CNH products, they are strong, tough, agile, adaptable to any application, widely depended upon in both the agriculture and construction industries. In 2017, the 300,000th Case loader and 250,000th New Holland loader both rolled off the line.
Our Research and Development Center is key to the plant. We continuously develop and improve both our products and processes, making us a leader in the construction equipment industry.
And that brings us to a more recent revolution in manufacturing, world-class manufacturing. And Wichita is leading the way. In fact, the CNH Industrial Wichita plant is the first CNH plant in the U.S. to achieve the World-Class Manufacturing Silver Award and is committed to achieving the gold standard of excellence.
We're proud of the World-Class Award. World-Class Manufacturing has opened my eyes to a better way of thinking, and I'm proud to be a part of this new revolution.
World-class manufacturing now defines who we are, promotes safety, improves quality, builds value, develops talent, strengthens skills, and protects the environment. World-class is a compass for the plant to follow, from measuring to prioritizing, stratifying and analyzing. WCM is a systematic approach to attack waste. However, WCM is more than science, it's people. Because at Wichita, it's our people who define our success.
It doesn't matter how long you've been in the industry, world-class manufacturing will surprise you. It is new potential, factory-wide, and it brings us all together to work as a team.
Our equipment is used to build roads, schools, hospitals around the world. I guess you can say we're working together to make the world a better place to live. We're building a better future right here in Wichita.
Our CNH professionals are driven to deliver the best product in the marketplace, from welding the strongest frames to painting the perfect finish. So who better than the people who make the product to innovate and improve the overall value for our customers? We streamline processes. We use space more efficiently. We make components more accessible. Being world-class comes with a responsibility to our customers, our employees, and our community.
Why world-class? Well, because we expect nothing less for our customers. This machine could end up in Indiana or India, but wherever it is, I know it'll do the job, because I know we've done our job, and that makes me proud.
CNH Industrial, built in Wichita for the world.